Prince George's County Judge Dwight Jackson delivered an appalling decision in another legal matter involving the emotional battle over Jericho Baptist Church. Despite overwhelming and compelling evidence, which included the 6 defendants' own testimony admitting to taking part in fraud, theft, and forgery in their actions to seize control of the Maryland megachurch, Judge Jackson ruled on Tuesday to dismiss the case. He also denied the plaintiffs the opportunity for a jury trial, which was set to begin on February 11th. A shocking development that marks yet another delay in the sad saga surrounding the fight over control of millions of dollars in Jericho church property and money. The baffling decision came on the heels of devastating testimony during the December depositions of the 6 defendants. Under oath, Defendant Clifford Boswell, the secretary of the self-appointed board, revealed that he was arrested, charged, and then pled guilty in 2012 to stealing money in a separate case. Boswell also testified that he received unauthorized biweekly stipends for an unspecified period of time. During her deposition, controversial board member and now board president Denise Killen admitted to signing Apostle Betty Peoples' signature on bank cards, which gave her authorization to access church funds. Killen acknowledged that she forged Apostle Peoples' name on a bank signature card a mere 6 days before the pastor's death. Killen also admitted to taking $27,000 in cash out of church accounts, but she was unable to explain why. Her admission calls into question all the documents they submitted with Apostle Betty Peoples' name on it. Defendant Dorothy Williams admitted to destroying church documents and financial records. She further testified that she took $13,000 out of church accounts without explanation. Defendant Clarence Jackson admitted to using church equipment, church employees, on church time to conduct his company business for which he was personally paid for. Under oath, Jackson said he'd received checks that he claimed were cashed by defendant Dorothy Williams. He said he then deposited the money. He further confessed to receiving checks from the church accounts of nearly $47,000 within a 3-month period. Also during depositions, defendant Linda Pyle stated that they are now the founders of the church, not the late Apostle Betty Peoples. Her claim is they became the founder of Jericho when they shut down one church and opened up the new one. In addition to the defendant's self-incriminating testimony, there are documents such as checks, banking statements, and other legal papers proving illegal and unethical actions. This is a bitter and emotional case that is crying out for justice. Among those seeking justice is a group of Jericho Baptist Church members who have formed the People of Praise. On their website, peopleofpraisemd.com, they keep the public informed about the developments of the case with official court documents and facts about what the People of Praise call scandalous. They recently posted a YouTube video that was reportedly taken on January 15th, showing a nearly empty sanctuary at the Jericho Baptist Church in Landover. Despite claims to have about 500 people in the 10,000-seat facility, the video shows there are less than 100 people attending the church service. Clearly, the support of the church membership remains with Bishop Joel Peoples and Pastor Yolanda Peoples. They left Jericho by the thousands to worship with Bishop Joel and Pastor Yolanda at satellite locations at Forestville High School in Forestville and Roosevelt High School in Greenbelt. The supporters of Bishop Joel Peoples vow to continue the fight in the appellate courts, confident that they will win on appeal and all along remaining faithful and trusting God. Despite the outrageous development of the case, the battle is far from over, with several related cases still pending in the courts.